What's that? What is that? Fish. A fish. It's a fish. Circle. Circle. What's that? What's that? What is that? What is that? You know what that is. Car.
Fish.
That's right, fish. 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 Bear. Bear. Square. Squares. Square. Fish. 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 Look. Look. What's that? What is that? You know what that is. Go back. You know what that is. What is that? Car? Fish. Square. Mouse. That's a mouse. 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 What's that? What's that? No, you're not going to say car? Fish. Circle. What's that? You're just not going to say car, are you? Are you? You certainly love that book, though. Yes, you do. Say, I love that book. What's that? Car! You're going to the fish, aren't you? Nope.